Hey there! Today, Sissy is going to show you how to use this floor cleaner. Open the box and take out the main unit and other accessories. You will find the main machine, handle, clean water tank, dirty water tank, fluffy bristle, upper window, charging auto clean base, a cleaning brush and extra fluffy bristles, and a HEPA filter. Insert the lower end of the handle into the upper hover of the main unit until you hear a clear locking sound. Open the cap of the vacuum cleaner tank. Fill it with cleaning water without exciting the next line. Then place it in the right position until you hear a clear locking sound. Do the same for the savage tank until you hear the release button click. Insert the fluffy bristle like this. Then fit the locking releasing part in the left side into the brush to keep it stable while cleaning. Place the upper window in the right position on the floor brush. There are two square holes at the front of the power brush. Press it in until you hear a locking sound. Take out the base and plug the adapter into the power socket. Place the vacuum cleaner on the base, and you will hear a voice saying, "Charging." Make sure to fully charge the machine before usage. Take the machine out of the base and adjust it to the normal working angle. Press the power button to the start cleaning. The handle has 4 buttons: the power button, speed button, water spring button, and self-cleaning button. The machine defaults to automatic water spring mode. You can also press the standard strong mode button to switch to strong mode for top stance. When the clean water tank is low, the machine will give a voice prompt, but you can still vacuum. When the dirty water tank is full, it will also prompt you, and the machine will stop working until you empty it. After using the machine, place it back on the charging base and press the self-cleaning button to start the self-cleaning process. After that, remember to empty the dirty water tank to prevent odors. To remove the dirty water tank, hold it and press the button. You can also take out the clean water tank by pressing the button on it. Keep the fluffy bristles and the machine in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. It's recommended to replace the bristles and filter every 6 months to maintain good cleaning efficiency. If you have any questions about this machine or want to know more about our floor cleaners and vacuum accessories, leave us a message below the video. Please make sure to subscribe our techTongBo before you leave. Thank you for watching and goodbye.